Butane Torch is one of the versatile tools and must-have accessory in any toolkit. It is suitable for different applications including gourmet cooking, jewelry making, small welding applications, melt frozen pipes and others. There are many products available to choose Butane Torch, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Butane Torch from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. JoeShev Kitchen Torch. If you are looking for reliable butane torch, then Syndico Store is one of the trustworthy brands you can invest in. Their butane torch can be used for a wide range of applications that include caramelizing sugar, glazing baked ham, roasting bell peppers, crafts, welding, jewelry making, and several others. This butane torch is equipped with piezo technology, which provides efficient and easy torching at any angle. It has an adjustable temperature for controlling the flame outflow. Being a portable device, you can carry it anywhere like camping. The temperature produced by this butane torch can go up to 1,300 degrees Celsius divided by 2372 deg F. It comes with a safety lock which prevents accidental ignition. As it has a wide set base, it prevents the torch from falling over. Its strong aluminum body ensures durable and long-lasting use. Number 2. Blowtorch Professional Kitchen Cooking Torch. Their cooking torch is perfect for both professional chefs and home bakers as well. This torch can be used for multiple purposes that include sous vide, flambe, bar cocktails, lighting a fire, dabs, camping, barbecue, cigars, and searing meat. With piezo press ignition, it provides immediate and fast ignition without any hiccups. This torch is capable of providing 6 inches long continuous flame at a temperature of 2370 deg F divided by 1,300 degrees Celsius. It features a gas flow regulator which lets you dial the flame according to your preference. A gas flow security lock is also provided to prevent any mishaps and accidental ignition. It is equipped with a built-in finger guard which protects your fingers from extreme heat and burns while torching. This torch is made up of using TUVC certified aluminum and ABS plastic which is ergonomic, sturdy and long-lasting. Number 3. TBTI Butane Torch Kitchen Torch Cooking Torch. TBTI Butane Torch Lighter is an essential kitchen tool from the trusted TBTI brand. This torch makes cooking, baking, crafting, and more a breeze. It's super safe with a handy lock and comfy design, ensuring you can use it without worry. Plus, it's refillable with any butane fuel brand, making it cost-effective. The best part, you can adjust the flame temperature to suit your needs, going as high as a scorching 1,371 degrees Celsius divided by 25 deg F. No need to keep pressing a button either, it has a continuous flame mode for added convenience. And with 3 butane adapters included, it's even more versatile. The TBTI Butane Torch Lighter is your reliable partner for cooking and DIY adventures, making life in the kitchen and beyond a whole lot easier. Safety lock and durable aluminum construction. Refillable, portable, and compatible with various butane tanks. Versatile flame temperature control for different uses. Continuously flame mode for ease of use. Number 4. Dual Flame Butane Torch Gun. Insanity Dual Flame Torch Gun, a versatile and robust tool from a reputable brand, known for crafting high-quality tools for chefs, bartenders, and artisans. This torch gun elevates your culinary and artistic endeavors with 2 adjustable flames that can reach scorching temperatures of up to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. What sets it apart is the convenient ignition lock that ensures a continuous flame, eliminating the need to hold down the ignition button. Crafted from sturdy Kirksite and zinc alloy, it's built to last while maintaining a lightweight and compact design. Presented in a luxurious gift box, it's not just a tool but also a thoughtful present choice. Whether you're cooking, soldering, welding, or engaging in resin art, this dual flame torch gun simplifies your tasks, offering durability, ease of use, and precision. It's a reliable companion for culinary experts and artisans, making it an excellent gift for those who value quality and versatility. Number 5. Dremel 2201 VersaFlame Multifunction Butane Torch Perfect. This butane torch will produce variable temperature and comes with flame control option for both standard flame operation and torch. This portable handy tool is used for various applications like pipe fitting, soldering, shrinking, and brazing. The self-ignition button with safety lock and flame lock-on will allow you to have continuous hand-free operation for temperature ranges at 2000 degrees F. It has large tank capacity filled with butane gas will allow it to have runtime of 75 minutes. It measures up 13x 7x 2.1 inches and weighs about 1.54 pounds. The versatile 9-piece accessory kit contains blower, deflector, flame diffuser, soldering tip, solder, sponge, tin, wrench and storage case. Has large tank capacity and longer runtime of 75 minutes. The flame control features for both torch and flame operation in various temperatures. The premium quality stainless steel material to provide long durability. Comes with various features like flame lock-on, quick ignition button, air control knob to adjust flames, filling valve, and flame control slider for setting variable temperature. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.